Are you tired of turning the key and hearing nothing? Picture this. You're already running late, you press the start button, and all you get is silence or a mysterious click. In just 15 seconds, you'll learn why your starter might be failing and what to watch for. Let's dive in. What is a starter? Your car's starter is the small but powerful electric motor that turns your engine over so it can start. It sits next to the engine and includes a solenoid that pushes a gear into the engine's flywheel. When you turn the key, the solenoid engages and delivers battery power to spin the starter motor. In other words, the starter gives your engine its first kick. Without it, the engine won't start. Symptoms of a bad starter. No crank. If turning the key yields complete silence or just a single click and the engine won't turn over, the starter could be failing. As carparts.com notes, the most obvious sign of a bad starter is an engine that won't crank or start. In this case, even a good battery won't help, the engine simply won't spin. Often you'll hear a click or nothing at all when you try to start. Slow crank. If the engine cranks very sluggishly or labors to turn over, that's another warning. A healthy starter should spin the engine up quickly, so slow cranking usually means the starter motor isn't getting enough power or its internal parts are worn out. Mechanics cite labored starting as one of the first signs of a weak or dying starter. Clicking, grinding, or whirring. Listen for strange noises. A rapid clicking or whirring sound with no engine turnover often means the starter gear isn't engaging properly. A grinding noise is even more telling. It usually means the starter's pinion gear or the flywheel teeth are worn or damaged. These sounds strongly point to starter trouble. For example, the gear might be spinning without catching the engine. Intermittent starting. Does your car sometimes start fine and then suddenly fail? An intermittent problem like this can indicate a flaky starter or wiring issue. The starter might only work in certain positions or after a few attempts. As Northrick Automotive explains, a starter fault that happens only occasionally often means things like loose or dirty connections that will worsen over time. Electrical signs. A bad starter can pull extra current. For example, if your dash lights dim or flicker noticeably when you crank the engine, the starter may be drawing too much power. Another giveaway is if the starter motor continues running after you let go of the key, you'll hear it whirring, even though the engine is already running. Both signs of dimming lights or a starter that won't shut off indicate a starter or solenoid problem. Smoke or burning smell. Any smoke, sparks, or a burning odor during a start attempt is a very bad sign. This usually means the starter is overheating or shorting out internally. It's often caused by a failed starter drive or overheated grease. If you notice smoke or smell burning, stop immediately. The starter is failing and you could damage other parts. Quick tests to diagnose. Jump start test. Hook up a fully charged battery or jumper pack. If the engine still won't crank even with the jump, the starter is almost certainly the culprit. If the car doesn't start after a jump start, your starter may be the problem. On the other hand, if the engine starts easily with jumper cables, the issue was more likely the battery or alternator. Starter tap test. With the car safely in park or neutral and the key being turned, lightly tap the starter motor with a rubber mallet or wrench. A gentle bump can sometimes free up stuck brushes inside the starter. Carparts.com notes that if the engine suddenly cranks after a few whacks, it confirms a failing starter. Be careful not to hit too hard or you could damage the starter. Don't ignore these symptoms. A bad starter can leave you stranded. In fact, mechanics warn that ignoring a failing starter can drain your battery and even damage other electrical components. If you recognize any of these symptoms, it's best to have the starter checked or replaced before it lets you down on the road.